Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to build a tall outdoor bench that is very sturdy. It's got a footrest, so it makes it really easy to step up and sit down. It's very comfortable. It's built out of all 2x4s and 2x6s, so it's durable for exterior use. We're using this in a hockey rink so that fans can see over the boards, but I can think of a variety of other uses. This is a quick and easy build that you should be able to knock out in a couple of hours. Let's get to building.
If you're interested in building this project, there is a free plan linked in the description. It includes step-by-step diagrams, a shopping list that you can take to your local home improvement store, and a detailed cut list that'll walk you through all the cuts you need to make this project. I recommend a miter saw. It'll just make this project go so much better, faster, and easier. And it's really the best tool for making the angled cuts that you'll need for those front legs. So the first step is just to cut all the boards according to the cut list. Now it's time to start attaching the boards together. I'm using these star bit screws. They're available at most home improvement stores and they don't require pre-drilling and they drive really easily. The plans will walk you through all the steps, but essentially I'll just make a frame that will support the seat boards. I'm just using 2 screws per joint here. And these are the longer screws. So this will be really sturdy. We want this bench to hold up and be substantial. Now I'm adding the front legs. They're just straight, or the back legs, sorry. And then the front legs are actually at an angle to, kind of take some of the wobble out, and also they kick out to give us a spot for a footrest. Then I'm adding a back support as well. Because this is a taller bench, I want those legs to be supported at the bottom. And now this is going to be for the footrest. When I brought the project up, it was a little bit wonky. So getting that horizontal footrest board just right on the leg was essential to leveling it out. You'll also want to be working on a flat level surface. And then I'm going to work on getting the back angle. So these back angle boards are to take out any side to side wobble on the bench. And there it is, all ready for the decking. And then I just screwed 2x6s to both the top and the footrest. I gave this bench a really good sanding and then stained it with a penetrating stain. It turned out so good. It's very comfortable. It's very sturdy. It's easy to get up and down from the bench. It's perfect for this unique need that we had at our hockey rink. I can't wait to see fans enjoying the game while sitting on these benches. Thank you for watching this video. We love giving you fresh, original content. Please take a second to share, like, comment. Just let us know that you like our content so it keeps us inspired. Thanks again. We'll see you next week with a new video.